If you want to make your photos look cleaner, sharper, and more detailed in Adobe Lightroom Classic, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Enhance tools in Lightroom Classic the easy way, and I'll keep it simple, practical, and fast so you can follow along in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Now let's jump in. In Lightroom Classic, the Enhance tools are located inside the Detail panel in the Develop module. That's a small but important difference, because in Classic, the workflow is a little different from the standard Lightroom desktop app. These tools use AI to help improve noise, detail, and resolution, and they can make a huge difference depending on the type of photo you're editing. First, open the photo you want to improve in the Develop module. On the right-hand side, look for the Detail section. Inside that panel, you'll see the Denoise option. This is one of the main Enhance tools in Lightroom Classic, and it's especially useful if your image was shot at high ISO or looks grainy and rough. If you want to open the Enhance dialog, there are 3 easy ways to do it. The first way is to click the Denoise button directly inside the Detail panel. The second way is to right-click the photo in either the film strip or the grid, then choose Enhance. And the third way is to use the shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt, and I. On Mac, press Command, Option, and I. Any of these methods will bring up the Enhance window. Once the Enhance dialog opens, you'll see the 3 main options: Denoise, Raw Details, and Super Resolution. Let's start with Denoise. This is the option you want when your image has visible noise, especially from shooting in low light or using a high ISO setting. Lightroom's AI will analyze the image and reduce the noise, while still trying to preserve the important texture in your photo. That means you get a cleaner result without making everything look flat or plastic. A useful tip here is that when you select Denoise, Raw Details is automatically included. That helps improve edge sharpness and fine detail, so you get a more natural-looking result. After choosing the amount of denoise you want, preview the effect carefully, then click Enhance to process the image. Next is Raw Details. This option is best for clean raw files, especially if you plan to make large prints or you need better color rendering and edge accuracy. Unlike Super Resolution, Raw Details does not increase the image size. Instead, it improves the way Lightroom interprets the file, so the details look more accurate and refined. Then there's Super Resolution. This is the option to choose when you need a bigger file with more usable detail. Super Resolution doubles the linear resolution, which gives you 4 times the total pixels. That can be really helpful if you want to crop heavily, print large, or work with a photo that needs more resolution for professional use. So in simple terms, use Denoise for noisy images, use Raw Details for cleaner raw files that need better detail, and use Super Resolution when you need to increase the image size. If you remember that, you'll know which Enhance tool to choose in almost any situation. After Lightroom finishes processing, the enhanced version will appear in your catalog, ready for editing, exporting, or printing. And that's really all there is to it. Lightroom Classic makes these tools very easy to use once you know where to find them, and now you've got the workflow down. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Lightroom Classic guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.